Hello class, I'm going to give you a short overview of general biology. This course is an online 7-week. Biology consists of both a lecture and a lab component. So if you were taking a seated section, you would be spending about 5 hours a week in class over a 15-week semester. Therefore, you can expect to spend the same amount of time online. You just get to choose when you access the course material. Since this course is 7 weeks instead of 15 weeks, this means all the information is compressed into a shorter time frame so that you can focus solely on biology instead of having to juggle multiple course subjects. So you should be able to devote at least 10 hours a week to the course. Yes, that's right, I said 10 hours. You want to create a schedule that allows you to be successful, such as spending about 2 hours a day over the course of a week. Be good to yourself, right? Divide the work up into small chunks so it's much easier to manage. The textbook for this course is Biology Now with Physiology, and it comes from W.W. Norton. Access to the publisher's course site so that you can gain access to Inquisitive and SmartWorks programs is required. And that is because you will have graded assignments using what's called Inquisitive, and that comes from the publisher's textbook. The textbook is not provided for this course, so you have to purchase the text. And you will need to contact the DTCC bookstore for more information. There is not a lab manual that is required to purchase for this course, just a textbook. The lecture material is provided via videos, as you can see off to the right, or articles for you to read, and there are self-checks that are interspersed amongst the videos and the articles. And they are there to ensure that you understand the material that is covered. So here's one self-check where you can click on it and it will reveal an answer for you. So each article or video has a bulleted learning outcomes, which are going to form the foundation of your notes. So here you see the bullets. So to be successful in this course, you should write down the bulleted outcomes and provide answers or explanations for them. And this will form your notes for this course. You will also be taking notes from your reading assignments. So while you're reading the chapters, and you want to make sure you answer any questions within what are called the My Notes. So the My Notes are a series of questions or images for you to answer or label. When you first access the My Notes, it's going to ask you to make a copy, which you will do so, and that will save it to your computer. And after that, you will see the questions. Note-taking is a very essential tool when it comes to understanding and recalling information. If you practice summarizing the material as required by the My Notes and the bulleted outcomes, then you will perform better on the application questions on the exams. So take the time to lay the foundation of your knowledge by taking notes. Now, assignments have their own separate page. The assignments are predictable from week to week to help you manage your time effectively. So each week you will have inquisitive assignments and lab assignments. There should be about 2 labs each week. The only difference from week to week in assignments is a group project, which is basically scaffolded into smaller assignments each week. And you will be asked to work in a group to create a visual presentation that will be recorded and presented to the class in a discussion forum. So after the course begins, you will have exams nearly every week. Practice exams and study guides are posted within the course schedule. So you can see here a practice exam and a study guide for the very first exam, as well as your other materials that are linked out and assignments that are linked out using the course schedule. For your exams, Respondus Lockdown Browser and Monitor are required for the exams. Therefore, you have to have a computer camera. So please reach out to your instructor if you have any questions about the course or need assistance at any time. I hope you enjoy the course.